Hey, I think I may see a wolf here with a rabbit in its mouth. It's got a rabbit, it's pretty big, and it's running off. That looks like a wolf to me. See the rabbit in his... It's got a big rabbit in his mouth. I'm going to get back in the truck and go backwards. The rabbit is not running across the road. That looks like a wolf to me. I don't know about you people, but I'm going to look it up on the internet. It'll come flying at me. I'll close the window real fast. Look at him, he's eating. He's not even caring. Oh my gosh, this thing is huge. I think I'm gonna get out of here because he's looking like he might attack or something. I don't know, I've never seen a dog like that. Getting out of the truck again because I'm way too close. I'm like 20 feet. This is how close I am. There's a fire hydrant right here next to me. Here, he's right up there. The thing is big. It can't be a regular dog. Eating a rabbit. I'm not getting back out of this truck again. That is wicked. I never thought I would see that right here next to me. I'm out of here. Whew. That's crazy shit. Sayonara.